peppers, potato, carrot, garlic, mushroom, our steak, sage, and butter, and some flour also later. Hi guys, so this is what we need in our steak. We have the black pepper, steak, ribeye, we have the butter, herba, garlic, and albadilla sea salt. So we're gonna make it simple only, and we're gonna use only the salt, butter, pepper, garlic, the basic one. So these are sides. We're gonna make also some steak rice with vegetables. So I'm gonna use beans, bell peppers, garlic, lerpak batter, mushroom, and carrots. So this will be on our steak rice. So we're gonna start up with black pepper. And salt. Albadilla, baka naman. After that, we'll just turn it around, and then see. Hi baby, hi Dora.
Daddy, I'm baby Dora.
Oh, your baby Dora. Yeah, that's my daughter. And salt. Okay. So this for our steak rice, guys. These are just leftover peppers from my dish before, so I'll just use this one on the rice. And I have a leftover rice also from last night, so guys, this is our leftover rice from last night. I'm gonna make this one the steak rice. So I already washed my hand. I don't use gloves in this for tangina, ano ba yun? So guys, yeah, we're gonna start now. So we're gonna put some katarat. They usually use olive oil for this one, but I don't have olive oil, so I'm gonna use my oil. So you hear that, guys? Yung ano, kukuha na niya yung mag-iina niya. So guys, ano siya. I'm just gonna rest this one. And we're going to make the steak rice. Ah, dali lang. Sardines. We're gonna make the gravy, guys. Little more flour. So approximately 2.5 tablespoons. 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. I don't usually measure flour or when I'm cooking. I base it on the texture, taste. I don't know this. I can see and I can feel it if it needs more or if it's enough. At this rate, guys, we're gonna add the water slowly. Slowly nga sabi, bigla mo naman, loko ka talaga. I don't have the whisk, so just mix it like this. I need more water. So that's 1 cup already. Some people they add some garlic powder, onion powder, and other herbs, but for me I have only this sage, and we already have garlic, fresh garlic from the beef earlier, right? So I try to make food what we have here in our home. So this is the steak, right? It's rested, so that's a secret bowl. So we're just gonna cook this one more. I think need more water. I'm just gonna mix it. And this is the leftover earlier, so we're gonna use this one and the steak rice. This needs I think 1.5 to 2 cups of water more. Guys, don't mix the water to the roux. Mix it slowly for the liquid slowly, so you can see the lumps. There's lumps there, so you can break that one. You can break the lumps because if you put the water direct, you cannot. It's very hard. It's very hard to break the lumps from the flour. One more thing, we need to add the beef. stock. Some people do the beef stock, some add chicken stock, but I prefer half, both half on both. So I'm gonna use beef and chicken. So one cube has a ratio of like 2 to 3 cups of water for the salt level. So I'm just gonna use only half here and a bit here also. This is my leftovers. Oops. So guys, we're gonna add the black pepper. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Our finale is the butter. Charan! So transfer the gravy guys, here it is. And this is the garlic and the butter from the beef earlier. We're gonna use that on the rice. Just gonna add some corn oil. Hey guys, wow. See this?